Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're in Iowa, traveling on I-29 North, entering the city of Council Bluffs. We're going to take a detour off the interstate to pick up some things at Walmart and fill up the gas tank here. Council Bluffs is the county seat of Pottawatomie County and has an estimated population of 62,166 as of 2019. Council Bluffs lies on the east bank of the Missouri River, directly across the river from Omaha, Nebraska. Until 1853, the city was known as Canesville and was the historic start of the Mormon Trail, among other emigrant trails, since there was a steam-powered boat to ferry their wagons and cattle across the Missouri River. In the early 1900s, part of Council Bluffs was cut off from the rest of the city due to a change in course of the Missouri River. The disconnected portion seceded from the city and became Carter Lake, Iowa, on the Nebraska side of the river. We're going to get back on I-29 here temporarily and then take another detour into Nebraska. I-29 and I-80 run together for a little less than 3 miles through Council Bluffs, but they don't run concurrent, with the I-29 lanes lying on the outside of I-80, never overlapping. We cross the Missouri River, entering Nebraska, yet another state in the 504 Road Trips catalog, although we'll only be in Nebraska for a few minutes. We're in Omaha, somewhere in Middle America, with an estimated population of 478,192 as of 2019. Omaha is the largest city in the state of Nebraska, the 40th largest city in the United States, and the second largest city of the Great Plains states after Oklahoma City. A crossing over the Missouri River called the Lone Tree Ferry gained Omaha its nickname as Gateway to the West. During the 19th century, Omaha's central location in the United States spurred the city to become an important national transportation hub. Today, the city is home to the Omaha Community Playhouse, the largest community theater in the United States. We're going to take I-480, the Gerald Ford Freeway, or Gerald R. Ford Expressway, depending on whom you ask, which will loop us back to the Missouri River and will rejoin I-29. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. At exit 61, we see the eastern terminus of I-680, the outer loop around Omaha. But you may notice that the control city going forward on I-29 lists I-680 east. From 1973 to 2019, I-680 continued north, overlapping I-29 for 10 miles and then traveling east along what is now I-880, joining back with I-80 to the east. We conclude today's video here at mile marker 65. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.